What's up? Leryan B here. Just letting you know about the song I'm about to play for you. Talked about it in the last video. It is called "The Sheath is just as important as in a sword and sheath. The sheath is just as important as the blade, or the sword itself." So, yeah, tell me what you think. Musicians, message me your ideas, or maybe we can start something and record it, chop it out over the internet, jam together, hang out, whatever have you. Throw it at me. Friends, tell me what your thoughts. Tell me I suck. Tell me you love me. Tell me you hate me. Tell me your dirtiest dreams, dog. No, I don't want to know that. Well, maybe. No, I don't. Depends on the context. Depends on the person. Sometimes I have a sick sense of humor. Let's just be real. It's bad. Anyways, here we go. Yeah, have a good one. thank you. Have a awesome, awesome day and year and week and month. And if you're having a bad day or an off day, accomplish something good and see if you don't have a smile on your face. Practice that, and you'll be practicing living a life of fulfillment. Practice living a life of fulfillment. You'll be living a successful and excellent, fulfilled life, full of accomplishment, full of triumph over tribulations, and full of beauty and artistry. And you'll get good at conducting your life like a musical composer conduct a symphony. So yeah, have a good one, and I hope to see you guys soon at some point in the near future. So